Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Beetle key fob. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any small parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the fob is open, you will see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the depleted CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This step is crucial for proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Test your key fob to ensure it is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This simple process will keep your key fob functioning perfectly for a long time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.